You poured your heart and soul into your business, working tirelessly day and night. You meticulously crafted every product, every service, ensuring each detail was perfect. You believed in your dream, holding on to the hope that your hard work would pay off, so you took the leap and invested in online ads, hoping to reach a wider audience. Google, Facebook, Instagram. You wanted to be everywhere your customers were, leaving no stone unturned. But then, the results were disheartening. The sales didn't come. The leads were scarce, almost non-existent, and the money you poured into ads seemed to vanish into thin air. Sound familiar? It's a common story. This is the frustrating reality for countless small business owners struggling to make sense of it all. They're told that online advertising is the golden ticket to success, the ultimate solution. But the truth is, it's not as simple as throwing money at a platform and watching the profits roll in effortlessly. The problem isn't with the platforms themselves, they are just tools. The problem lies in the approach, the strategy, and the execution. The good news is, there's a way to turn this around, to make your efforts count. You can stop the cycle of wasted ad spend and unlock the true potential of online advertising, achieving real results. It starts with understanding the fundamental principles of effective campaigns, the core strategies. It's time to stop guessing and start strategizing to take control of your advertising future. One of the biggest mistakes businesses make is treating all platforms the same, without considering their unique characteristics. They use the same generic message and expect it to resonate with everyone, which rarely works. But here's the truth. Google is not Facebook. Instagram is not TikTok. Each platform has its own vibe. Each platform attracts a different audience, with unique demographics, interests, and behaviors that you need to understand. Another common pitfall is neglecting the importance of targeting your ads effectively. Imagine you're selling handmade jewelry, a niche product. Would you show the same ad to a teenager and a grandmother? Probably not, because their interests differ. Yet many businesses make this mistake online, showing their ads to anyone and everyone, regardless of whether they're actually interested in what's being offered. Then there's the issue of ad copy, which is crucial. Too often ads are filled with jargon, buzzwords, and empty promises that don't connect. They fail to capture attention, evoke emotion, or clearly communicate the value proposition, leading to poor performance. Remember, you have just a few seconds to make an impact in a crowded digital space. Your ad copy needs to be compelling, concise, and laser-focused on your target audience to truly succeed. Before you even think about writing ad copy or choosing images, you need to understand your audience. Who are they? What are their pain points? What are their aspirations? Where do they hang out online? What kind of language resonates with them? Think of it this way. You wouldn't walk into a room full of strangers and start pitching your product without first getting to know them a little, right? The same principle applies to online advertising. You need to research your target market, understand their needs, and tailor your message accordingly. Fortunately, platforms like Google and Facebook offer powerful targeting options. You can target based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and even life events. This means you can ensure your ads are seen by the people who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Crafting ads that resonate. Examples and insights. Let's say you're selling organic skincare products which are becoming increasingly popular. A poorly targeted ad might say something generic like, "Get glowing skin with our amazing products." This ad lacks specificity and doesn't address any particular pain points or unique needs. Now consider this targeted ad struggling with dry, sensitive skin. We have the solution. Our organic skincare line soothes irritation and restores your natural glow naturally. This ad speaks directly to a specific problem and positions the product as the perfect solution. It's also more likely to resonate with people who are actively searching for organic skincare options online. The key is to highlight the benefits, not just the features of your product. Don't just say you have a great product, show why it's great. Explain how it will solve a problem, make life easier, or fulfill a desire that your audience has. Use strong visuals that capture attention and convey your message effectively and clearly. And above all, be authentic and genuine in your approach to connect with your audience. That's why I have a free Facebook PPC Secrets course, a step-by-step course designed to help you master paid advertising. Inside you'll learn, whether you're a total beginner or someone who's been burned by ads before, this course will show you exactly what you need to do to turn your campaigns into profit machines. Listen, ads don't have to feel like a gamble. When you know the right strategies, they become your greatest weapon for growing your business. So if you're ready to stop wasting money on ads that don't work, head over to digitalprospera.com/course and start your journey with Facebook PPC Secrets. I'll see you inside.